Hello, welcome to the second lesson of the Living Things series. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to state the various adaptive features of living things in their habitat. Every living organism is made or designed to live and survive in a particular habitat based on its adaptive features. The features of an organism that enables it to live naturally in a habitat are called adaptive features. This includes their physical features, behavior, or their way of life, which makes them suited to survive and reproduce in their habitat. Now let's take a look at the adaptive features of some living things in their habitats, starting with the terrestrial habitats. Some living things depend on their physical features to help them obtain food, keep safe, build homes, withstand weather, and attract mates. These are called physical adaptations. Let's take a look at some examples. Giraffes have very long necks so that they can eat tall vegetations which other animals cannot reach. Animals living in extremely cold environments have thick fur and fat around their body to provide insulation. They can also fall back on this fat as an energy resource where there is no food available in the environment or during periods of inactivity. Some mammals have a hairy skin to keep their body warm, and some have sweat glands to regulate the body temperature. Desert plants store water whenever it rains in their thick stem for future use because of water scarcity in the desert. Desert animals conserve water through reduced sweating. Camels are able to withstand temperatures of 44 degrees Celsius without sweating. In aquatic habitats, living things have different physical adaptations, and they include the following. Some plants use their rootlets to breathe in water. Some plants have boat-like leaves which help them to float on water. Animals have fins and gills to move and breathe in the water. Some aquatic animals have lateral lines to detect vibrations in water. Behavior is also an important adaptation mechanism. In southern Africa, there are small animals called meerkats, which live in large colonies. The meerkats take turns standing on their hind legs, looking up at the sky to spot birds of prey. Meanwhile, the meerkats in the rest of the colony go about their lives. Some animals use the color of their skin, fur, and slow movements to avoid predators. For example, chameleons. This means that the adaptations have developed over many generations. Sometimes, adaptation is often mistaken for evolution, though both are very different processes. Evolution brings about drastic changes that occur in the genetic level, whereas adaptation is a short-term process where the changes that occur are usually reversible. This brings us to the end of this lesson. Today, we learned that adaptation includes the features and behaviors that help a living thing survive or live in its environment. We also looked at some of the different adaptive features and behaviors. See you in the next lesson.